Hi guys, in today's video we'll be learning how to use the free drawing lamp line function, also known as your permit. Alright, so let's get started. Firstly, come to your customization function and then click on your kitchen cabinet. Okay, once you're in it, come to the top part here and then click on lamp line and select free drawing lamp line. Okay, so there are actually two ways of doing it, so I'll be using the free drawing function to show you. So click on free drawing function and then just draw according to your cabinet. Okay, and then over here you may change your elevation, so I'll be changing it to 1565. Right, and then you may also adjust. Okay, so once you're done, you can just click on this generate lamp line. Right, and then right over here you may change your section and also your materials. Okay, and once it's done, click on confirm. So as you can see, your lamp line has already been created. Alright, so there's also another way. Same thing, come back to your lamp line, free drawing lamp line. So now I'll be using the choose to draw function. Alright, just so click on choose to draw and then just select the cabinets. Okay, so as you can see, the elevation, they have already detected itself. So you can just generate, change it if you need to, and then click on confirm. Okay, so you have your lamp line already. So right now, if let's say you would like to edit, okay, you can just right click on the lamp line and then just click on this free drawing line editing. Okay, so now what you can do is just drag and adjust. Okay, once it's done, generate and click on confirm. There you go, your lamp line has been created. Happy trying, guys.